Everyone's chasing NVIDIA at $800 per share. But what if I told you there are three semiconductor stocks under $10 that could be the next big chip winners? We're talking gallium nitride power revolution, optical computing for AI, and next-generation memory solutions. These aren't just cheap stocks, they're breakthrough technologies at breakthrough prices. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm all about finding the next big tech stocks before Wall Street catches on. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest what you can't lose. Now let's dive into these three hidden semiconductor gems. Quick challenge before we start. If this video can hit 50 likes, I'll know you want more semiconductor deep dives, and I'll keep bringing you these hidden chip opportunities. So smash that like button right now. Let's see if we can hit 50 likes together. Our first stock is Navitas Semiconductor, ticker NVTS, trading at $7.14 per share. And folks, this company is revolutionizing power electronics with gallium nitride technology, GaN for short. Let me explain why this matters. Traditional silicon power chips are hitting their physical limits. They waste energy, generate heat, and can only shrink so much. Gallium nitride changes everything. GaN chips are faster, smaller, more efficient, and can handle much higher power densities than silicon. This is an incremental improvement. It's a complete paradigm shift. Navitas is a pure-play GaN power semiconductor company. Their chips are going into fast chargers for phones and laptops, data center power supplies, solar inverters, electric vehicle chargers, and consumer electronics. Every device that needs efficient power conversion is a potential customer. Here's what excites me. The GaN power semiconductor market is exploding. It's projected to grow from about $2 billion today to over $15 billion by 2030. That's roughly 7x growth in 6 years. Navitas is positioned as a leader with over 200 patents and partnerships with major manufacturers. They're already shipping millions of units to customers like Dell, Lenovo, Xiaomi, and other major brands. This isn't lab technology, it's in products shipping today. As power efficiency regulations tighten globally and fast charging becomes standard, GaN adoption accelerates. At $7.14, Navitas is trading at a fraction of where it could be if they capture even a modest share of this massive addressable market. Yes, they're still ramping to profitability, and competition exists, but as the GaN market leader with proven technology and major customer wins, Navitas has serious multi-bagger potential. This is my top pick for exposure to the power semiconductor revolution. Moving to our second stock, POET Technologies, ticker POET, currently at $6.33. Now this one is absolutely fascinating because they're solving one of AI's biggest bottlenecks, data movement between chips. Here's the problem. AI requires massive amounts of data moving between processors, memory, and networks. Traditional electrical connections are hitting speed and power limits. The solution? Light. Optical connections using photons instead of electrons can move data hundreds of times faster while using far less power. POET has developed what they call the optical interposer, a platform that integrates optical and electronic components on a single chip. This enables ultra-fast optical connections between AI processors, memory, and networks. Think of it like replacing copper wires with fiber optic cables, but at the chip level. Their technology is critical for next-generation AI data centers, which need to process enormous amounts of data incredibly fast. POET's optical engines are being designed into products for AI training, AI inference, and high-performance computing. They have partnerships and development agreements with major players in the AI infrastructure space. The optical interconnect market for AI is projected to grow exponentially as AI data centers scale. Every major tech company, from Microsoft to Google to Amazon, is building massive AI infrastructure. All of them face the same bottleneck, moving data fast enough between chips. POET's technology solves this fundamental problem. At $6.33, POET is incredibly undervalued if their technology becomes the standard for AI optical interconnects. This is higher risk than Navitas because the technology is still being productized, but the potential reward is enormous. If POET's optical platform gets designed into next-generation AI systems, this stock could absolutely explode. For investors willing to take calculated risks on breakthrough technology, POET is compelling. And finally, our third stock is GSI Technology, ticker GSIT, at just $1.35 per share. Now, at under $2, this is definitely the most speculative of our three picks, but hear me out because the technology is mind-blowing. GSI Technology is developing something called Associative Processing Unit, or APU, which is a completely different way of computing designed specifically for AI workloads. Traditional processors move data back and forth between memory and compute units, which wastes time and energy. GSI's APU performs computation directly in memory, eliminating this bottleneck. This in-memory computing approach is revolutionary for AI applications like pattern recognition, image processing, and real-time analytics. GSI's Gemini APU can perform certain AI operations hundreds of times faster than traditional processors, while using a fraction of the power. For edge AI, AI running on devices rather than cloud, this efficiency is game-changing. GSI also has a legacy business selling high-performance SRAM memory chips, which provides some revenue while they commercialize their APU technology. They're targeting markets like automotive radar processing, drone navigation, industrial automation, and edge AI devices. Now, I need to be completely honest, GSI is pre-revenue on their APU products, and the stock has been beaten down. This is high-risk, early-stage technology. However, if in-memory computing becomes the standard for edge AI, and many experts believe it will, GSI could be sitting on incredibly valuable intellectual property. At $1.35, you're essentially getting a lottery ticket on next-generation AI computing architecture. The downside is limited. It's already trading near penny stock levels. But the upside? If their APU technology gets adopted by automotive or industrial customers, this stock could easily 10x or more. This is a small position, high-risk, high-reward play for aggressive investors who believe in-memory computing is the future of edge AI. So there you have it, 3 semiconductor stocks under $10 that aren't just cheap, they're revolutionary. Navitas is electrifying the power semiconductor market with GaN technology. POET is connecting the AI future with optical computing, and GSI is reimagining how chips process AI at the edge. Look, I'll be straight with you. Semiconductor investing is not for the faint of heart. These companies face technical challenges, competition, and execution risk. Not all will succeed, but if just one of these technologies becomes the standard in its category, early investors could see returns that are truly life-changing. This is why I love chip stocks. Semiconductors literally power everything in our modern world. Finding the companies building the next generation of chips before Wall Street figures it out is one of the best ways to build serious wealth. So here's my question. Which chip stock resonated most with you? Are you Team Power with Navitas, Team Optical with POET, or Team Memory with GSI? Drop a comment and tell me which technology you believe in. And hey, did we crush that 50-like goal? Check it out. If we did, thank you so much. If we're close, hit that like button right now and let's get there. Subscribe for more semiconductor analysis and share this with any tech investors you know. Remember, invest smart, do your homework, and only risk what you can afford to lose. These are speculative plays on breakthrough technology, but fortune favors the bold and the informed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Now go find your next NVIDIA before everyone else does. Peace.